Hey, what's going on, everyone? You guys ever run into this problem? I was out on the river a few weeks ago and I ran into this problem. All these baits, well, go figure it's not doing it now, but were connected. Every time I went to go grab one, they were connected. Like these guys over here especially. It took me I don't know how long to go through and try to get them all disconnected. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to show you how to organize this using some $3 weather stripping you can get at Walmart. I'm going to do this just like a fly box, but in the end, baits will be a lot more organized and treble hooks will not group together and make it almost impossible to pull something out. Alright, hope y'all enjoy.